A very warm welcome to you all. Croeso cynnes iawn I chi I gyd. And welcome to the Carpentry for All branch based at the Port Talbot Learning Hub. A croeso I gangen gwaith sar I bawb, sydd wedi ei leoli yn hwb dysgu Port Talbot.
Tucked away at the Addysg Road workshops in Port Talbot lies a thriving community of people who come together to share in their passion for woodwork, wood carving and pyrography. This community of like-minded individuals are members of a group known as a branch. A branch describes a group of learners who pursue their own chosen learning interests. The branch is recognised by and affiliated to Addysg Oedolion Cymru, Adult Learning Wales.
The types of people that come here are, all ages, I suppose. Everything's kind of tailored to your skills, your ability, and you can push yourself on as far as you want, or you can just literally just come and treat it as a bit of a social and, enjoy some of the, colleagues that you have here, some of the guys that you can meet.
I got involved with carving after a long period of ill health. That actually gave me something to come back into life for.
I lost my partner recently to cancer, so I carve because I need to keep going.
I retired at 60, so I thought I didn't want to be hanging around the house 7 days a week. So I was looking for something to do.
Something to get out of bed for in the morning. It puts your week into a daily process which you lost when you retire work.
Yeah, all right, a good crack, boys, you have a laugh, well, you do have a good laugh, yeah.
Oh, the banter is relentless. It's a fabulous place, isn't it? All the blokes get on. And the big thing is a lot of people here, they are very experienced. So you can pick up tips off those people as well,
I'm actually a carpenter joiner by trade. We've got a carving group on a Wednesday night here, which I run, which I've been doing for the last 30 years. Got quite a few older members which are retirees and youngsters which have difficulties with education and stuff like this, which we help as well. We include everybody, the women, men, everybody, the youngsters as well, which can't go into the higher education, but they learn quite a lot off the people that we got here.
Oh, the group is amazing. Genuinely some of the nicest people that I've ever met. It's a very safe group to be a part of, which is really important, I think, when you're venturing into trying something new.
It's a real great mindfulness skill, more than just the woodworking itself. So it's a real great opportunity to switch off, focus on something completely different, do something with your hands, something practical, where you feel comfortable, you feel safe, you get a chance to talk to like-minded people, and you get a chance to practice new skills and do new things.
It's just lovely to be able to sit alongside people that have been carving for years, who are willing to share some of their kind of experience and knowledge with you in a way that isn't academic or structured. One
thing which I would never have attempted before I went to the carpentry is the bottom half of my garden gate, garden door, was rotting away. So great. I cut that out and put in new stuff. I wouldn't have attempted to do that before. But now I'm willing to look at things, I've replaced taps, which, okay, they're simple things, but I've never done, and I wouldn't attempted to do them before I went there.
I come here every week and I learn something new all the time. So my skills are enhancing all the time. At 77 years of age, my skills are still going forward. Nothing could be better from my point of view.
Come and have a go. It's a nice friendly atmosphere, and as I said, there's so many people there with so much knowledge. You learn a lot of stuff. There's
no real agenda here. We're just all like a nice bunch of people that enjoy doing something together.
It's just all about really enjoying yourself. It is enjoyable coming here.
It's there for you to take on as much as you want to take on, and it's all a beautiful place.
If you would like to come and have a look around the Port Talbot Learning Hub to see what the branch could offer you, please do get in touch, either by popping in to see us or give us a call. You may be accomplished in woodwork or just curious to find out if it may be for you. You can be assured of a very warm welcome indeed.